Hi! Happy New Year everyone! Welcome back to Beauty and Food. As for my first video of 2020, I'm going to show you on how to make American pancakes with this easy recipe. Check it out! First, we need to sieve about 200 grams of flour, three teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar. Then sieve everything together. Make a well in the center and pour in about 300 ml of milk. Then add in 50 grams of melted butter. Next, add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which I forgot to show in the video. Mix everything well till the pancake batter is smooth. Warm up your non-stick frying pan over medium heat. I don't grease my pan with butter or oil in here. Pour the pancake batter. Wait till the bubbles appear and then flip it. Cook for another 2 minutes or so till golden brown. Lay the pancakes with strawberries if you want and keep repeating it till you have about 4 to 5 layers of pancakes and strawberries. Drizzle it with your favorite sauce. I'm using raspberry sauce here. And it's done! Before I go, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications, okay? Follow the same steps as before and put Nutella in the middle. Pour some butter to cover the Nutella. It's okay if you get a little bit out of shape, we can tidy up later. Flip it over carefully. There you have it, pancake with Nutella. Till then, bye-bye!